Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section we are going to learn how to use Power Query and Vlookup function with multiple results. Let's start. First we have to convert our data into table. For this press Ctrl L. A pop-up window will come to create a table. Here the range will get selected automatically, and in our data we already having one title. For this we have to click this my table has headers, then click OK. Now our data converted into a table. Here I will remove the banded rows, change the format to look good. From here click on data menu. Here we need to click on from table. Power Query editor will open. Now we require only one manager name only. For this click on this column, right click, remove other columns, or you can also click here. It will remove all other columns. Now here multiple times the names got displayed, so we require a unique names only. Now again select that column, right click, remove duplicates. Perfect. Now these names are not in alphabetical order. For this click sorting. Perfect. All names are now in alphabetical order. Now click close and load to. It will ask you whether you want to create a connection or a table. Click on table only. New sheet. OK. Load. Now in new sheet manager list came. OK. Perfect. Suppose in this list if I add any new name, Rohit Sharma, some ABC, just click this icon to refresh the table. Now see here 15 rows got loaded. Rohit Sharma. If I delete this name, and right click this table and refresh, see list got updated. Perfect. Now here select manager name. Here we are going to create one drop down list for manager category. First we will merge these cells. Perfect. Now click on data. Data validation. Click on list. In source select this table. OK. Perfect. Now you can see all manager names will reflect here. Perfect. Here now the Power Query function is completed. We are going to use VLOOKUP function to get the results. Here our heading will come. Here we require the output. So heading will copy and paste. Perfect. So here these cells also we will merge. Okay. Here we have used row function. In this row we are getting 5 minus 4. It means first number came. Okay. Now here we will add a new column help text. Equals okay, and we will use countif function to get total counts. Countif 5 colon B5. This is range, comma, and this name, close bracket. Before that we have to fix this value by pressing F4. So by copying the data, this will not get changed, only this number will get changed. Press enter. See here, Manjesh C1, Manjesh C2 means 2 times repeated. Name C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So 13 times this name got repeated. Perfect. Now with the help of help text, we are going to get the location name here. For this we have already used this row function and started with one number. Next here we are going to click this cell range I1 and symbol. Press enter. Okay. We will drag this formula. Let's see what will happen. So different values came. Why? Because every time this formula is getting changed. So we have to constant this data here by pressing F4. Press enter. Now see. Perfect. Right. Now we have to use VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, we are putting this as a lookup value, comma, we will select the table comma index number, or else we can directly enter the index number 1, 2 and 3, comma false. See, if you drag this, some errors came here. Why? Because this name repeated only 12 times only. Let's see. See here, 12 times only. Perfect. For this we will use if error function, comma enter. Now drag this formula. What happened? Okay. For error values, space came. Right, perfect. In the same way, we have to bring that sales value and sales percentage. Again, we are going to copy this formula and paste here. Now, we require fourth column. Perfect. In the same way, paste the value here and fifth column. Perfect. Now change the manager name. See, location names are also getting changed. Perfect. If you have any doubts or any queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.